I'm the Genius Asian. Welcome to the Genius family.
Today, I'm going to show you how to reduce the probability of picking up germs from a shopping trip. Before your trip, get your setup ready. One box that will be for items after they have been cleaned, a cleaning wash basin or bucket, and one box that will be for items that have not yet been cleaned. You also need clean containers or bags, soap, or disinfectant. After your shopping trip, wash your hands in an outside sink or the washing bucket first, or use hand sanitizer. Then separate the items into 3 groups. Group 1, things you don't need to consume or refrigerate right away, either food or non-food items. You will just leave them in a box in the garage because virus particles will die after either a few hours or a few days. Group 2, things you have to open or consume right away. Depending on the packaging, there are 3 ways to handle them. A, throw away the outer packaging. You can throw away the boxes, such as this cereal box, and only keep the bag. B, clean the packaging. This cereal is already in a bag, so you can use a paper towel soaked with disinfectant to clean the bag. C, dump the contents of this bag of snacks into a container which you know is clean. Group 3, things that may need to go to the freezer or refrigerator. A, use soapy water to wash something with a thick skin or outside, such as these oranges or the milk jug. B, put the entire item into your own plastic bag that you know is clean. But remember, the viruses can live a long time in cold temperatures, so when you consume the item later, although the quantity of active virus is lower by that time, still treat the item as dirty and be sure the food is cooked to kill any that remain. C, if you don't want to use it for cooked food, it is possible that you can use cold water to rinse. Be aware that washing it with soapy water may not be good because soap may not rinse off completely. When you consume any fruit with skins, an alternative way is to be careful, such as consuming this banana without touching the inside with your fingers. During your shopping trip, reduce the number of infectious particles your hands touch. For example, if you take an elevator, you can push the elevator buttons with a credit card. The card has a thickness of 1 millimeter. Assuming the contact area is 2 millimeters in length, then the area is 1 by 2, which is 2 millimeters square. Compare this with a finger's contact area of 8 millimeters by 8 millimeters, which would be 64 millimeters squared. Assuming distribution of particles is uniform, the amount of contact is reduced by 32 times. If you are in a hotel, you can push elevator buttons with the hotel room key. You can use your bank card to push an ATM machine's keys or the keys on a gas pump. Of course, you should then clean your card with soap or disinfectant wipe. You should wash your hands and put in disinfectant in your car. If you can't do that, then designate 1 dirty hand, 1 clean hand. Whenever possible, open and close doors using your elbows or shoulders. I touch everything I view as dirty with my right hand, such as outside doorknobs, handrails, and so forth. I touch everything I view as clean with my left hand. For example, after I am finished shopping and go back to my car, before I enter my car, I use my left hand to touch the car door and fetch the hand sanitizer inside the car and clean my right hand. So you need to always remember, before you have washed your hands, never use your dirty hand to touch your mouth, your nose, your eyes, no matter how much something itches. When you get home, go in through the garage or a back door. Take off all your outer clothing, leaving it outside there or in the washing machine, and go straight to the shower. I know a lot of people still refuse to follow these kinds of procedures because they look too complicated or do not have scientific experiments backing them up. For those people, please follow the 2 most important things. 1, wash your hands correctly and frequently. Check out my easy-to-remember video. 2, before eating, wash your hands, bake your plates and utensils, and eat cooked food. Virus particles will not fly from a surface to your mouth, so the only 2 other things you need to take care of are your nose and eyes. Watch my other videos for those. Of course, you should keep your kitchen clean, your house clean. These are things you need to do anyway. A few things we recommend may seem extreme to some people, but the more things you pay attention to, the lower the risk of being infected. Our priorities are, in order, wash hands, guard your mouth, guard your nose, clean surfaces, and guard your eyes. Stay safe.
Share this with people who you know that need it. Leave your own genius tips in the comment section below. Don't forget, I'm the Genius Asian. Subscribe for more useful videos.